Hi friend, in the last lecture we have seen about Whetstone meter bridge. Okay, today we are going to learn in the detail about meter bridge. So in meter bridge, the instrument which is used to measure the unknown value of resistance, it is based on Whetstone's network principle. Okay, it means whatever we have learned in the last lecture, that we are going to take in this experiment. Okay, this is the circuit diagram of network meter bridge as shown in this figure. This is the diagram of construction diagram of meter bridge. Okay, so let us see in this diagram. X is unknown resistance, or R is known resistance. Okay, this G is the galvanometer. Okay, A, B, C, these are the 3 points. Okay, E is the battery, K is the key, and RH is the rheostat. Now let us discuss in detail about the construction of meter bridge. So first point, it consists of wooden platform on which 1 meter uniform wire of conducting material is stretched between the point A and C. Okay, it means we have taken 1 meter uniform wire and that is stretched to point A and C. Now second point, the end of the wire are fixed using 2 L-shaped copper plate. These are the which we are seeing in this diagram, L shape, which is the copper plate. The third copper plate is fixed on the board in such a way that 2 gaps are formed. Okay, now you can see that in the next point, in one gap unknown resistance X is connected, and in the other gap resistance box R is connected. You can see in the diagram. Okay, this is the next point. A source of EMF, electromotive force E, plug key K, and variable resistance RH are connected in series with the wire. Galvanometer G is connected between the point B and jockey, that is point D. In the next point you can see that a meter scale is fixed on wooden platform to measure the distance between 2 points. Okay, it means A, D and C on the wire. Okay, now how it works, that we are going to see in detail. First point, when current flow through the circuit by touching the jockey, we will going to touch jockey on both the side, from left to right or right to left on the different point. Okay, on wire, find out the point D. Okay, the point D is such that when we touch the jockey at that point, galvanometer shows null deflection. Null means 0. It will show 0 deflection. Okay, that time it means potential at point B is equal to potential at point D. So here you can see that distance AD, which is equal to LX, and the distance DC is equal to LR. Okay, so in this condition, using Whetstone principle, which yesterday we have learned, we can write X upon R is equal to resistance of Lx, length of wire, upon resistance of Lr, length of wire. Okay, now we are going to derive the derivation. Let sigma is the resistance per unit length of wire, then resistance of Lx, length of wire is sigma Lx, and length Lr is sigma Lr. So X upon R is equal to sigma Ls upon sigma Lr. So sigma will get cancelled. So X is equal to R into Lx upon Lr. This is the main derivation. So using this derivation, we can find out the value of resistance X. Okay, so we have completed this derivation. Now we will see what probable errors can come in this experiment. First, wire may not be uniform. Is it clear? That means resistance per unit length of wire may not be constant. It means every time it can change. There may be contact resistance between copper plate and end terminals of the wire. Okay, so these are the error which can come probably. So we have completed our derivation.